Now, this is what I from my original birds. This is the only three that I have left. That black bald head right there is the hen, my silver male. Favorite bird, very, very good roller, jumps about 15 feet, very, very active spinner. And a show roller, half show roller, half pension. He does his odd 5 rolls, but he's not as active as this bird. This bird will probably within the 10 minutes that he'd be flying, he'd probably do like 8 drops, and they range from 5 feet to 15 feet. These are the. This is what's left from my original birds. These three. This black bald head hen, the silver cockbird, and this half show, half pension white cockbird. And now to add some new ones. This is another pension female. She's a hen. She's an old hen though. She's about 6 years old. Hopefully, when they're all settled in, they've all bonded with each other. I'm gonna breed this white hen to that silver bird over there. Hopefully, they'll shoot off some nice colors. Particularly, I got this 6-year-old hen because before getting this bird, I wanted to see how good it rolls, and also very, very, very active roller. She doesn't roll as good and as much as a male, but for a hen, I say she's pretty good. And here's another new bird. This red one. Now this bird, he's 2 years old. I've seen this. He's also new. I got him. I particularly pick out this bird because I've seen this bird drop at least 30 feet. And when we were flying them a couple days ago, he was just so impressive. He would do one set of roll right after the other, and probably the shortest amount of roll that he did was about probably 13 feet, and he was just dropping boom, 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 boom. Very good roller, and I'm hoping to beat this guy with that black and white hen. So this is the update. I'm planning to get one more hen for for that white cockbird at the back over there. He's half show roller, half pension, and one of the reasons why I like him is because he's an active flyer, and he brings back the rest of my birds that flies a little bit far off, because he doesn't go as far, but he stays up there for so long, and he does his roll every now and then. You know, he gets my stray birds' attention. He's a little bit wet because I washed him off today. The red bird. He's new here, so hopefully. Now these are old birds. I'm gonna keep them here for at least a month and a half. So they'll bond with each other. So when they fly, they start flying as a team. Okay, guys, hope you enjoy this clip. This is one of my favorite roller, silver male.